paano ka naman pala kumita ng komisyon na hindi naman pala kayo nagbebenta? Hello everyone, this is Myrna again, the owner of this page, www.myrnasocorro.com. Ako po yung may-ari ng page nito, and thank you everyone for staying in my page na para sa mga followers ko at yung mga nanonood at nagko-comment and nagla-like sa mga post ko. Salamat ng marami sa inyo. Sasagutin ko po today based in this video kasi nag-work po ako. Yung mga tanong na madalas ko pong nakikita, hey, nag-post ka ng ganito, paano ka kumita ng komisyon na madalas mo sinasabi hindi ka naman nagbebenta? And that's a good question. Thank you very much. So now, ipapaliwanag ko na sana mas lalong maiintindihan, okay? Kasi po ako po ay based on affiliate and attraction marketing. Hindi po kami selling marketing. So ngayon, affiliate means meron po kaming malalaking mga companies and a multi-billion companies which are operating for 50 more than years na nasa inside na into this community. And maintindihan nyo lang po yon kung nandito na po kayo sa inside, okay? At mas malaman nyo isa-isa kung ano-ano mga businesses yon. Kasi masyadong marami po yon para isa-isahin ko pa, okay? But the important thing here is that paano ako kumita ng komisyon, paano kami kumikita ng komisyon. Kasi madalas nakikita nyo sa mga Facebook feeds ninyo or saan man may mga nagsasalitaan which is real, okay? So kung ano yung pinupost ko na $4,020 ngayon, real po yon. And that happened started last October na natutuwa kami na hindi namin ine-expect na i-extend pa nila hanggang November. At ito talaga ay must grab, okay? At hindi po ito nag-i-effect sa amin na nandito na sa business na to kasi para po ito sa beginner, which is kung alam ko lang, edi sana pala, ngayon ako nag-join, diba? Pero no, ako po nag-iisip lagi na sana nalalaman ko na tong business na to noon pa. Okay? Pero okay, fine. So, dito na tayo sa paano. Para mas lalong maintindihan. Okay? Since affiliate marketing kami, meron po kaming mga malalaking company. Okay? So, once na nag-plug in ka or nag-join ka sa business na to, okay? Once na nag-join ka, at paano ka nag-join or kung ano man pag-uusapan natin yun next time or pwede nyo din po akong i-message kung paano, okay? So once na nag-join ka, lalo this month of November, makakakuha ka ng 2 opportunity kaagad. And those opportunities are a commission-based opportunity and at the same time, isa ka ng business owner. Okay? So you are a business owner and that is really a big opportunity. Okay? Ang pagiging commission, ang pagkakakuha ng commission sa November na ito, you can have automatically 3 slices of commissions. This is very huge. Kami na mga tao na nasa inside, para sa amin, ang 3 slices of commissions is napakalaki na. Kasi nag-start ako ng 1 and then pinagtatrabahuan ko ng husto 2 and then more pa. Okay? So, kung kayo mag-start ngayon 3 commission na, let's say, for example, kasi nag-join kayo, nasa system kayo, okay? Once na nag-join ka, nasa system ka na agad, may business ID ka, lifetime business ID, nasa system ka na, which is, ang automated, ang technology, ang system namin is working 24/7 in our back office. Okay, so once na may nagpa-plug in doon na under my name, kasi ako may business page na ang system ang nag-work for me, the inside, okay? At nagjo-join siya in my Haft, okay? In my website, doon sa inside, okay? Malalaman pa rin natin yon ng husto. Kung ikaw nga ay sumubok or just magtanong ka or just try, like be as a curiosity wise, right? So tanong mo, and then ngayon, let's say for example, may isang taong interested, a business owner, wanted to become a business owner or wanted to venture a business and kumukuha siya. Let's say for example, our strategies, tools, and everything in this community, let's say a pizza. Sa pag-usapan natin, kunyari ang pizza. Okay, para mas madaling maintindihan. A pizza. Small, which is 8 inches pizza. Medium is a 12 inches pizza. Large, 16 inches pizza. Okay? So, yung taong magbe-venture, for example, mag-start siya for a small one. Sabi niya, hey, I just wanted to start a small pizza kasi parang isusubukan ko lang kung mag-work sa akin ito. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's fine. So, sa small pizza na venture na kinuha niya, ikaw, ako, okay, makakakuha ako ng 3 slices of commission in that small pizza. Depending on how many slices on that pizza. For example, 6. Out of 6 slices, 3 sa akin. 3 na lang mapupunta doon sa companies. So that's how they are generous in giving commissions to us, especially this month, na automatic makukuha mo yung 3 slices agad-agad kung ikaw ay nag-join. And how much more kung this person makukonvince na nagtatrust fully doon sa biniventure niya na okay, since I wanted to start small and wala namang difference. The same effort, the same strategies, the same amount of time I have to spend to this venture. Bakit hindi ko na lang ila-large pizza? Right? Kasi pag ikaw ay isang strategist, business-minded person, like, mag-iisip ka talaga kung saan ka makakamura, kung saan ka sa tingin mo na mas may kikitain ako dito, although medyo mas mahal ng konti, $1 or $2 man, or how much penny is the difference. Pero malaki naman yung nakukuha mo, di ba? Kasi kung ako mag-grocery, titingnan ko din, ito $5 lang pero 5 piraso lang. Ito $6 pero 12 piraso naman. So bakit hindi ako mag-add ng $1 to get the 12 pieces, right? So, ganun yung mga tao, ganun yung mga business-minded persons. Ngayon, kung ano man ang kukunin niya doon sa venture na yon, anong i-venture niya, whether small, medium, or large, 3 slices ang makukuha mo kaagad na commission in that every person na nagjo-join. Okay? So sana mas maintindihan kung paano yung commission at kung paano kami kumikita ng hindi nagbebenta. Affiliate and attraction marketing, and that our tied up companies all over the world are operating more than 50 years already in the industry, na proven po talaga siya. Okay, and this community now have 260 and more members all over the world na ganito po ang ginagawa namin, affiliate and attraction marketing. Okay? And how to become a business owner, uusapan po natin in my next video. Kung gusto niyo po ng further explanation at mas lalo ninyo po maiintindihan, tanungin niyo po ako. Go to my website, www.myrnasocorro.com, or send me a message. Gusto niyo po mag-chat tayo, gusto niyo po mag-video call tayo, gusto niyo po mag-meet up tayo, and that's okay. Before I become a mentor, hindi po basta-basta. Kaya po hindi po kami basta-basta dito na magsasalita na lang kung wala din po kaming alam at hindi po namin pinag-aaralan ito. So once na magjo-join ka, pag-aaralan mo yung business, magkakaroon ka ng certificate para magkakaroon ka po ng more knowledge on how to run the business and to how to become a mentor or a coach someday. Okay? So kung ikaw ngayon ay interesado or curious, ask me how. Okay? So have a blessed day everyone, and until my next video. Thank you for watching.